everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right into today's nail art video. But before that, I'll request you to please subscribe to my channel if you love nail art and nail polish review videos. I post 2 videos every week. And thanks to all who have already subscribed to my channel and for supporting me. Let's quickly start with today's nail art design now. To start with, I am going to paint all my nails in this beautiful nude brown shade from Maybelline. I love this nail polish whenever I want to keep my nails simple and elegant. So I'm gonna paint 2 layers of this beautiful nude nail polish over all my nails, and I'll let them dry off completely before I move on to the next step. If you like this nail polish and would like to purchase the same, I'll leave a link of it in the description box. Probably it is available over Amazon in India. Also, I have reviewed and fully swatched this nail polish in my nail polish of the week video. So if you would like to check that out, I'll link that also in the description box or on the right top corner so you can watch it later on. So now that my nails are all ready and prepped with this beautiful base in brown shade, I'm going to start with my nail art design, and for that I'm going to use a dotting tool, but you can always use a toothpick, a bobby pin, or anything really that can give you dots. So I have explained this a lot of times in my videos that Manicure is the simplest design one can start with if they are just starting off with the nail art hobby. So the trick to getting different size of dots using the same dotting tool or the backside of the toothpick is to apply different amounts of pressure while applying the dots. So if you apply lesser pressure, you are going to get smaller dots. So for creating bigger dots, you can almost touch your dotting tool to the nail surface, and if you want smaller dots, apply lesser pressure, so they just barely touch the surface and you can get the smaller size dots. So for this design, I'm simply going to make curvy dotted lines on the each side of the nail, and I'm going to make 2 curvy lines on the right hand side and 1 curvy line on the left hand side. And as you can see, I am going to start by putting a drop of black polish over plastic surface and picking up a little polish using my dotting tool, and I'm starting from the left hand side, making the biggest dot by almost touching the nail surface, and then I'm going to reduce the pressure, the amount of pressure over my dotting tools each time I draw the dot, so I get the smaller dot from the previous one as I go towards the edge of my nail. It is quite simple and you just need a little bit practice to get different size dots, but these are the simplest and the easiest designs that one can make if you are starting with your nail art hobby. So I've created 1 curvy line on the left hand side. Now I'm going to create 2 curvy lines on the right hand side, as you can see, and I'm going to use the same trick, but I'm going to start a little lower than the left hand curvy line, and I'm going to use the same technique of applying a little lesser pressure with each dot as I go towards the edge. And I am going to make 2 curvy lines, as you can see here, as I thought that it's going to make the nail art look even more chic and elegant. So it is quite simple and easy to make, and you can use various color combinations of your choice to create this nail art design. And also you don't need a lot of tools for creating this type of nail art design. Plus, the bonus point for this nail art design is that it is a really quick one, so you don't need a lot of time to create this simple and quick nail art design. So just to recapitulate, I'm quickly making a curvy line starting from the left hand side in the dotted pattern, and for creating bigger to smaller dots, simply I'm going to keep reducing the amount of pressure while creating each dot going towards the edge, so I get a smaller dot than the previous one each time I go towards the edge of my nail. I'm making two curvy lines on the right hand side. You can do that on the left hand side, so you can make two curvy lines on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. It's up to you. Or you can even make two curvy lines on both the sides. So it's a really versatile design. You can change the pattern as you like over your nails. And that's it really. Let your dots completely dry, and I can't stress enough on this point that please make sure to let your dots completely dry before you go ahead and apply your top coat, because if it is a little bit wet and you apply the top coat, it is definitely going to smudge your dots and destroy the design. So just be a little more patient and wait for a little extra while for your dotting layer to dry off completely, and then move on to your top coat step. And as I always tell, that applying a top coat is really essential to any manicure, because first of all it gives a really glossy and perfect look to any manicure, and second of all it protects your design or manicure and helps it stay for a longer period of time. Don't forget to cap off your edges as well. And that's it really. We are ready with our chic, elegant and easy to make nail art design. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in the comments section which color combinations would you choose to create this design. And if you do get inspired with this video and if you recreate this design, then do share your pictures over Instagram. And don't forget to tag me in. My Instagram handle is nails by Nitika. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're staying safe and happy inside your homes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.